Okay, so I wanted to make this video because I wanted to show people how safe and easy it can be to just simply make your own, slip-free perches using PVC with nothing special really. This is a PVC pipe. As you can see, it still has the writing on it. I left it on there. I'm going to show you, I left the attachments on here because there's really no point in doing more work than you have to. So you don't really have to do anything that's sitting inside of the joint. So I left it on there. I care about not trying to harm anything. It is going to create little PVC shards when we do this, so I try to keep it contained on inside of a plastic thing, and then if that fails, I have newspaper set up here and do no harm, because ultimately if it goes into the earth, goes into streams, you've got fish and frogs and things like that swallowing it. And the whole point in doing this is to keep everybody safe and everybody healthy, and switch away from vet wrap, because that stuff is it's plastic. So if your bird eats it, your bird is going to get sick over time and eventually die. Also, it is expensive. Also, it is not easy to clean. It has to be replaced often. It's just nothing but lose, lose, lose. So, again, this avoids having to have vet wrap at all, and makes it as easy as possible to clean. Basically, all you need is a drill. Doesn't have to be a nice drill. It could just be a cheap and expensive one. And this bit that I have on it, you can buy one for a couple bucks, maybe $2, or you can buy a whole bunch of them. Basically, you're looking for a wood burr tool that basically its job is to dig out wood, which in this case we're going to be digging out PVC. So, as you can see, if I asked my bird to get on this, she would balk at it because it's too slick for her. So the thing to do is to simply do this. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold this and do it at the same time, but I'll try to show you. Sorry if it's loud. See what I mean by all the PVC pieces coming off. I'm hoping that you can see the detail that it's putting in here. I don't know. See if I can. You can see it's texturizing it. So yeah, that's, ultimately what you want. You want to just keep doing that. This is after I worked quite a bit to do most of it. You can get lazy and not do the underside if you want to always make sure that that is going to be the underside after you clean it and, take it apart. You just really want to do most sides of it, like I would say, the top, this and the two sides, but the bottom you don't have to go crazy and get in there. But as you can see, I did get in there quite a bit, and so basically it only takes a couple minutes to really mar this up, but it is a little bit rough. You can see all the PVC dandruff I created, and luckily we captured, so nobody is going to accidentally ingest that out in the wild or in my home. But this does, I got grease all over my hands, been doing a couple different things. Anyway, this does need to be sanded lightly. You know, a fine sandpaper should do the trick, but you definitely want to, you can see that there's still like pills of PVC left off, and obviously you do not want your bird to ingest that. So you want to make sure that that is sanded off. You can see those little pills, so that would be the last step. You just want to sand it, and then I would give it a nice washing for a third and final step before you introduce it to your bird. So first thing you need to do is get a drill and a burr bit. I chose, as you could see, I chose this this one. I have a pack of, I don't know, 15 or something, but this happened to be the one that had most surface area, so I just wanted to, you know, do the least with the most. So that's what I did, and I set it up so that I wouldn't get all this plastic everywhere for anybody to accidentally ingest. And now I have a safe, easy to grip perch for my bird, who will readily step on bees, but will not, of course, step on a smooth PVC because it's just too slippery. But I hope that this really helped you and help some birds out there to not only have a healthier and cleaner and safer environment, but a safer and cleaner environment for everybody, because we're not wasting more plastic and buying more plastic like vet wrap for our birds to accidentally possibly ingest, and also accidentally possibly get bacteria off of because they don't stay clean, and, you know, just more trash in the world. So this is just easy to do. It just makes sense. Why anybody would use vet wrap after this, I do not get it. I don't understand. But simple and easy to do. Looks like a professional, PVC stand. So please try it yourself. And if you have any questions at all, please ask them. I'm more than happy to help you. It's really easy, really simple to do. If you've never picked up a drill in your life, I promise you this is really easy and safe to do. It's one of the easiest things that I've ever done, except for just cutting PVC. That's pretty easy if you have the right tool too. So please consider that, so that your bird can have a safe, clean environment, and you can spend the least possible time and the least possible money keeping your bird and their play stand clean and safe. Thanks very much.